Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Monday morning, everyone. Luto na tag scrambled egg para pamahaw. Have a blessed Monday morning po sa lahat. Pang malakas ang scrambled egg sa umagang kay ganda. Happy Monday again. God bless.